Oh, there they go. They're barking. Ruff! Tell him, Big Red. Ruff! Come on, Big Red. Ruff! Come on, Big Red. I'm gonna have a full-fledged hot hullabaloo over here.
Something she's never managed to figure out how to pick him up by the scruff. Baby dog, pick him with a scruff like that. Give him back. There.
Ruff! Look, they look like dachshunds. They got little eyebrows going on there. And there's Bo, the other red one. Hey, Bo. Woof, woof, woof. Ruff. Ruff! 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 Come on, Ruff! Woof, woof, woof.
Ebo. Bo.
Hey, Bo! Whoa, Bo! Woof, 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 Bo! Woof, woof, woof! It's a flying bow. Like a little dark black shadow on the floor. What's wrong, Bitsy? What's wrong, Bitsy? What's wrong, Bitsy? Okay.
Benny. Yeah, Bitsy, right? Yep. She says, I still like the old-fashioned way.
Unless it's warm.
Yeah.
There's shit. You know the bulb for it?
That's right.
Too poor to buy a light bulb. Buy some light bulbs for Christmas. Stockings.
Hey, where you going? Who's that?
Bitsy.
Hey, Betsy, where's you going?
Baby dog. No. Come on. Bring on the gravy train, guys. Come on. Bitsy.